morning, guys. Welcome and welcome back. So today is Monday and I had to work yesterday, so I took today off. I am currently at home. I'm dressed for the gym. I was waiting for my cleaning ladies to be done cleaning. They're done now. I finished editing a vlog. Oh my gosh, this is like third week in a row I'm on track. Let's not jinx it. But yeah, I am going to be just doing another weekly vlog this week. I like these. I just take you guys along and, live life. I'm actually going to attempt to see if I can put up my curtains myself. I got some curtains on Amazon that I really, really want to put up. But my windows are high and I was going to hire somebody to do it. And I actually did hire someone and he flaked on me. And I hate that. So I want to see if I can do it myself and save some money. I'm going to go assess the situation. I'm going to go downstairs right now and assess the situation and see if it's something that I can even actually do. Guys, I just tried to install these curtains and nope, I'm not doing this today. It is trying to ruin my day. So what I did is I hired somebody to come in and do it because I almost lost a fingernail, a toe, and an eye. And I was like, I'm just not handy. And I need somebody to come do it for me. So I'm gonna go have lunch at this point. All right, guys, so I am about to head to get my nails done because they are grown out. And I am going to get my toes done as well. And I'm gonna do a French tip. I haven't done anything like that in such a, is it a French manicure? I haven't done anything like that in a really long time, but I'm gonna quickly show you guys what I'm wearing. It's so dark because it's kind of dark behind me, but this is what I have on today. I love this outfit. I got this bodysuit. I know you guys probably can't see the color, but it's okay. Yeah, it's brown. It's like a chocolate brown color. The belt is from Ralph Lauren. The shorts are from, oh, what is this shorts from? They're from Banana Republic. Shoes are from Chloe. Bag is the Fendi bag. It's brown. I've been wearing my Fendi bag a lot more these days just because I've been wearing so much brown. But and my glasses are the YSL ones that I got from the outlet store, which work really good with this outfit in general. I just really like how this looks. It looks very effortless, very clean. Okay. Bye, y'all. Good morning, guys. So I haven't really vlogged a lot this week, but I decided I should probably start. So today I just woke up maybe like 30 minutes ago and did my little morning routine. And I just went to my mailbox because I got this from Amazon. I need to remove these lash extensions. I usually do my lashes like every 2 to 3 weeks. I go somewhere to get them done, and this last time was just such a bad experience. Like, my eye has been hurting. Like, I think she put like 6 or 7 lash extension per little eyelash, and I just saw my lashes falling out and it hurt. And I was just like, you know what? I'm going to explore doing my lashes myself. So that's what I'm going to attempt to do today. You guys, I'm literally crying. Not really. That was so hard to get those lashes off. Oh my God, my eyes are super irritated, but I got them off. And I'm just gonna let my lashes rest for a little bit, or my eyes rest. I'm about to head to Pilates class, and I don't even know how I'm gonna get through it because my eyes are so, especially this one, which is the one that she murdered last time. It feels so irritated. So hopefully I can get through my Pilates class, and yeah, I'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, guys, so I just came back from Pilates, and a lot of you guys have been asking me, Benji, how are you making this hot honey toast? I'm sorry if I'm blinking a lot. This eye is still doing a lot. So here we go. Very quickly, very simple. I start with just a piece of sourdough toast. I usually can only do one. I can't eat more than one. So I do that. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with this chili crunch. So I'm just gonna spread a little bit of that chili crunch. That's what gives it a little bit of that heat, that kick. I like that part. So I put that like right on the bread. Like I try to spread it out because it's kind of spicy. It's a little spicy. So I don't put a whole lot just because being on my GLP-1 weight loss thing, spicy foods are really messing with me. So I have to be careful. So once my chili crunch is on there, don't miss the chili crunch. It's good. I have my salmon. I already made it earlier this week. I just put it in the fridge. And I'm just going to, I warmed it up. You can have it cold or warm. I like mine warm. I kind of break it up a little bit like that. That's what my salmon looks like. And then I have my avocado right here. And you can be cute about it. What I do is I just literally squeeze mine out. I just hold my avocado like this and squeeze it out. You guys can see that. Just squeeze that out onto my bread. Nobody got time to be doing all of that. So I just literally squeeze all of my avocado out like that. Sometimes it's easier said than done. And I just spread it out onto the bread. Doesn't have to be super cute or fancy or anything like that. When I was making a reel for this, I made it like super cute, but girl, I'm hungry. It is like 1 p.m. and I have not eaten anything yet except for my pre-workout or my Celsius energy drink per se. Right on the bread. Done. Now we're just going to take the salmon and spread it onto the bread. One little piece of salmon is generally enough to make two, but because I only eat one, I make my salmon stretch on this one because I need the extra protein. I don't get super hungry, so that means that this is probably going to keep me full for the next 6 hours. So I need to get in as much protein as I can, especially that I just came back from a Pilates class and I went and lifted weights for another 30 minutes after the Pilates class. So like that. Now for la pièce de résistance, we're going to be using hot honey. You can use any hot honey you like. And I just use that and I just drizzle it right over the top. That's it. You guys know what time it is. It is time to eat and chat. Oh, okay. I've already started eating it because it's so good. I got some watermelon along with it. I try to eat every meal with a vegetable or a fruit. I wanted to talk about pause on finance a little bit. I know we always talk about finance whenever we sit down, but I wanted to talk about reinventing myself. Not so much reinventing myself, but becoming the person that I always thought that I could be. So last year, like around the same time that I started my whole weight loss journey, I just had a come into Jesus moment. Like I was like, I have so much potential. I have so much. I have a picture in my head of the woman that I want to be, but I'm not her. And what am I waiting for? Like I'm in my 30s. What are you waiting for to become that woman? So I went down and I wrote down everything about that woman. I wrote down physically what I thought she would look like. I wrote down what kind of job I didn't really write down what kind of job she would have, but I wrote down what kind of money she would be making. I wrote down how she would carry herself, how she would treat others, how she would speak to people, all of that. It was a long list. And I started from that day. And it doesn't mean that you have to like tackle everything at once. I'm tackling everything like a little bit at a time. So I felt like my health and just my overall look, I didn't like. I felt like I've always been very confident. That's never been my issue, but I started becoming a bit uncomfortable in my body. I started feeling kind of pigeonholed into what I could wear and what I couldn't wear. The fashions that I was really interested in just didn't fit me that well. And I was like, yeah, I want to make a change. So that's where I started. The next thing I tackled was my finances. I was like, I'm too grown. I'm too grown to like not know certain things about my finances, like my savings and my sinking fund and investing and all of those things. So I was like, I gotta get that together. It's just so much that there's a certain like confidence and just peace, inner peace that comes over you striving every day to become the person that you are. I think there's a lot of struggle and minor depression that comes from knowing that you're not the person that you are and you're doing nothing to get there. I think your brain, like you literally are upset with yourself, and at least for me, it manifested in me in a lot of like depression episodes and reclusiveness and just being unhappy. And I had to realize that I had to take my happiness into my own hands, and I had to make a change, and I had to do something. And I feel like even now, like whenever I'm not achieving things as fast as I want to, I still wake up in the morning and I'm very happy, and I'm still very grateful that I'm doing something every single day to get there. So that's all I wanted to talk about today. If you guys want to know more about this topic as well, we can talk more about it, about the things that I've done to become a better person, to better my health, my look, my clothes, my life, everything. So yeah, I'm not done. I have a long way to go, but damn it, I am really far from where I was. Hey guys, good morning. I don't want to be late. I'm actually heading to a new Pilates studio to try a Pilates class, and you cannot be late. You have to be 10 minutes early when it's your first time, so let's go. I'm wearing a lot of browns today, and I got this new Lululemon Sherpa. I love it. Ooh, so nice. Let's go before I'm late and they kick me out. Hey guys, so today's Sunday. I had to work today and I just got home and I went to the grocery store really quick just to pick up a few things. So I'm just gonna show you guys what I got at the grocery store. So watermelon. I'm obsessed. I eat watermelon all the time. I take it for my lunches. I eat it all the time. I'm always eating watermelon. So I got some ready-made meals from HEB, which I really like. And I just love these. They're like the perfect portion. You don't have to wash your dishes. Like, it's just great. So I got shrimp Alfredo. I got the basil pesto shrimp. This is my favorite. I love pesto. And then I got shrimp scampi. I feel like I've tried all of them, but the Alfredo, I haven't tried the Alfredo, so I'm excited that this is this is dinner for like 3 nights, and it's so simple, and it's like $7. Like, you really can't beat that. Let's see, I got some avocados and mango. I also bought some salmon, which I grill salmon every week because I use these for my toast, and I use these for pretty much anything. I love salmon. And as you guys know, I have eaten fish this month. So I'm kind of just going to keep eating fish until I feel like eating another meat. Okay. Then I got these pita chips. I love these pita chips. I take them in my gym bag as a snack in the morning. I eat them with just some cheese. I take some cheese with me. And I already purchased my Celsius for the week up there. So that's ready to go. And yeah, that's really all the groceries that I do. I keep it very small and simple because it's just me. So yeah, I think this is the end of this week's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed my vlog. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. I'm gonna go and eat because I'm starving right now. Bye.